used to light up every room, just saying each other's names. Now silence fills the space too soon, and nothing feels the same. We're talking but not listening, smiling just to get through, holding on to memories like there's something new. It's a fading love, slipping through our hands, like a picture left too long in the sun. We're still here, but we don't quite stand where we were when this began. I feel you close but far above. I'm watching us become a fading love.
Your eyes don't meet mine anymore when I say how I feel. We lock the heart, ignore the door, pretend it's not that real.
Every promise sounds the same, every touch feels unsure.
We're scared to say the truth,